Yeah, good. Continue your learning.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. So
Bye
I
bye.
think you know much English, maybe.
Mm, I know some, but not
Uh,
perfect. Broken.
Actually, it is not that matter. It's we can try. I think so. It is very helpful for you.
Yeah, I always try my English improv.
Should
Always.
right. You should do it, okay? Because it's very essential for everyone. But someone there don't know about English. Actually, I really like English. Actually, I enjoy my English learn because I have been learning English almost 3 years. I'm always with his English. I try to always with my engage with my English always. Actually, I think it is my part of life. So
Yeah,
I really
yeah,
like it.
English is very part in a person life because always you can talk English. You always thinking your
Yes,
mind.
sure.
Hey, what your English? Pretty.
Okay, okay. So if you want, you can visit my page. If you don't mind, can I give you my page name?
Yeah, you say.
Okay, please wait. I'm giving to you my name. MD Shohag 5293. You
I'm
can
not
search.
busy in this time your page,
Okay,
but
okay.
I
Just your choice. Okay, no problem. Just I give you my page name. Also, I have a website. You can visit my website. My website name
yeah.
is MD
Tell me
Shohagmia. Yes, sure. Sorry.
your
Together. Now I'm giving you my website link. This is my website link. mdshohagmia.com দিলে আপনার everything will get because I'm a freelancer,
okay.
so also I have to have a
I try to
website.
I try to your YouTube channel or your all
Thank,
I search and I see your page,
sure,
your
sure.
website and your channel.
Thank you
Okay.
so much. Thank you so much. So nice to meet you. It's a good conversation with us. Actually, a lot of people they are going and coming, but they don't try to talk with someone. So I'm really uh, appreciate you talking with me. Thank you so much.
I am so proud of you, bro. You
Thank
is
you.
a very good person, and you talk to other person, so you improve yourself and you develop our country.
Sure, of course.
I appreciate you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What do you do basically? Are you study or anything?
I just study or nothing.
College and varsity, anything, anywhere?
I'm right now study in 12th class.
12 plus is college.
Yeah, yeah, college.
Okay.
I'm commerce background.
Commerce? Oh, actually I was a commerce student.
Oh yeah, good, good, good.
Thank
Same.
you. So actually Dhaka is your native place.
My home district is Borishal, but I
Bodisha.
live in childhood, so
Okay, okay, I
school,
got it.
college, almost live in Dhaka.